Hi, good morning to all. Today we will discuss about the next new chapter, that is alcohols, phenols and ethers. Till up to we are completed the halogen derivatives. The chapter number 10th, that is halogen derivatives. Then after we will discuss about alcohols, phenols and ether, that is chapter number 11. In that chapter there is three terms, that is alcohols, phenols and ethers. You are already known about the functional groups. Alcohols have a functional group, that is OH. Phenols also the functional group OH. In halogen derivatives there is the functional group as AX, that is halogen atoms. Halogen atom works as a functional group. Functional group means the part of that molecule which works or which can identify the family, that is known as the functional group of that molecules. In the halogen derivatives there is the functional group X. In the alcohols the functional group OH. In phenol also the functional group OH. But there is some difference between alcohols and phenols. If the hydroxyl group is attached to a aliphatic ring, that is open chain, if the hydroxyl group attached to aliphatic ring or a open chain carbon chain, then it is known as alcohols. It must be saturated, that means carbon carbon single bond organic compounds. Saturated compounds, that is the aliphatic saturated compounds at which the hydroxyl group is attached, then it is known as alcohols. If the hydroxyl group is attached to benzene ring, if the hydroxyl group is attached to benzene ring, then it is known as phenols. When the hydroxyl group is attached to aliphatic saturated organic compounds, that is alcohols. When same functional group attached to benzene ring, then that compounds are known as, or that family is known as phenols. And then after the ethers, which contains a hydroxyl group or a oxygen group, which contains a oxygen group attached to two alkyl groups, attached to two carbon atoms, that is ROR. It is represented as ROR. One oxygen atom is attached to another two carbon atoms. It is an alkyl group. It is also an alkyl group. In place of that alkyl group, there may be aryl group, that means benzene ring. If the oxygen is attached to two benzene rings, then also it is known as ether. If it is attached to one alkyl group and one benzene ring, then it is also known as ether. As like that, there is, first upon discuss about the three factors, that is alcohols, phenols and ethers. See here, there is alcohols. Alcohols, organic compounds whose molecules contain hydroxyl group. Hydroxyl group means OH group attached to a saturated carbon atom. Saturated carbon carbon single bond compounds. Carbon carbon single bond containing compounds are known as saturated compounds. The hydroxyl group is attached to the carbon atom which is saturated. For example, see here, that is CH3OH. One carbon atom here only one carbon atom, and that carbon atom is directly attached to that OH group. It is known as hydroxyl group. It is the functional group of that alcohol. Alcohol means organic compounds whose molecule contains hydroxyl group attached to a saturated carbon atom, then it is known as alcohols. Then after phenols, a hydroxyl group directly attached to carbon atom of benzene ring, carbon atom of aromatic ring or benzene ring. See here, for example, there is a benzene ring which is directly attached to that hydroxyl group, so it is known as phenol. there is two benzene rings, and the one benzene ring is directly attached to that hydroxyl group. So these are the examples of phenols. The aromatic ring also contain a hydroxyl group, but at the side chain, not directly. Then it is known as aromatic alcohols. See here, the hydroxyl group is present in the side chain of aromatic or benzene ring. See here, there is a benzene ring. That benzene ring is directly attached to that CH2, and that CH2 is, that means that carbon atom, and that carbon atom is directly attached to hydroxyl group. In that example, the hydroxyl group is not directly attached to that benzene ring, so it is not a phenol. Why? Because the hydroxyl group is directly attached to the carbon atom, and that carbon atom is attached to the benzene ring. That means the aromatic compounds at which the side chain carbon atom contains a hydroxyl group, so it is known as aromatic alcohols. That is known as aromatic alcohols. Then after, ethers, compound which contain an oxygen atom bonded to two alkyl group. Alkyl means that is the one hydrogen less than the alkane, that is known as alkyl group, or aryl groups. Aryl groups, same, arenes and aryl, alkanes and alkyl. See here, that is, alkane means CH3, that is, sorry, CH3, CH, it is not working, okay. If CH4, that is the example of alkane. Same, arenes means which contains a benzene ring full. If there is one hydrogen atom is less in a benzene ring, then that is known as aryl. If the alkane contain one hydrogen less, then it is known as alkyl. As like alkyl, aryl groups. If a compound which contains an oxygen atom bonded to two alkyl groups or two aryl groups, or one alkyl or one aryl groups. See here some example. The first example contains two alkyl groups, CH3, CH3. There is no CH4, CH3. CH3 is known as alkyl group. C2H5 also alkyl group. That is the less than one hydrogen less than alkane group. And these two are, it is represented as R. CH3 is represented as, or alkyl group are represented as R. These two are attached to directly one oxygen atom. Then as like that compounds are known as ethers. If there is one R means alkyl group, directly attached to oxygen atom, and that oxygen atom directly attached to aromatic ring or benzene or aryl. It is, that is ROAR. AR means aromatic or aryl group. Here is one alkyl group and one aryl group. See the third example, there is two aryl groups. Here is also one aryl group, that is benzene ring directly attached to that oxygen atom directly attached to second benzene ring. That means two aryl groups are attached to one oxygen atom. Then as like that compounds are also known as ethers. It is two alkyl groups, there is one alkene and one aromatic ring or aryl group. There is, and the example number 3, the both are the aryl groups. As like that compounds are known as ethers. In a previous chapter we are discuss about the classification of halogen derivatives. That is very important for that chapter also. Read the classification and nomenclature of previous chapter. That can be help to understand the recent chapter, that is alcohols, phenols and ethers. Classification, in that classification first we discuss about the classification of alcohols and phenols. Then after, the next classification. See here the tree diagram, or that is alcohols and phenols. In a previous chapter, we are discuss about the classification of halogen derivatives, that is mono, di, tri. One halogen atom containing compound are known as monohalogen. Two halogen atom containing compounds are known as dihalogen, trihalogen, and polyhalogen, as like that. If a compound contains only one hydroxyl group, then it is known as monohydric alcohols. That means the classification totally based upon the number of alcohols present in that molecule. That classification of alcohols and phenols is totally depend upon the number of alcohols present in the molecule. If there is one molecule or one hydroxyl group present in a molecule, then it is known as monohydric alcohols or phenols. See here the example, that is CH3CH2H, that is an alcohol which contains only one hydroxyl group. See here a phenol, a benzene ring directly attached to OH, so it is a phenol, and there is only one hydroxyl group attached to the benzene ring, so it is a monohydric phenol and it is monohydric alcohol. The next example, dihydric alcohols or phenols. See here the example which contains two hydroxyl group, one is here, another is here, OH, CH2, CH2, OH. How many hydroxyl group? There is two hydroxyl group, one is here, one is here. That means it is an example of dihydric alcohol. And the next, the benzene ring directly attached to two hydroxyl group, that means a phenol, that is dihydric phenol. It is the example of dihydric phenol, and it is the example of dihydric alcohol. The next one, trihydric. Tri means three. Trihydric alcohols or phenols. See that example, OH, CH2, CHOH, CH2OH. It contains three hydroxyl group. One is here, second is here, and third is here. So it is a trihydric alcohol. It is the example of trihydric alcohol. If three hydroxyl group attached to benzene ring, directly attached to benzene ring, then it is an example of trihydric phenol. It is an example of trihydric phenol because it contains three hydroxyl group, 1, 2, 3, as like that. Further, there is also classification based on the hybridization. Hybridization you are already known about it, or discuss about that hybridization, that is sp, sp2 and sp3. Remind it well, it is helpful for the next period or next video, that is the classification based on the hybridization. If the carbon single bond, that carbon atom is sp3 hybridized. If there is a carbon double bond, then these carbon atoms are the sp2 hybridized. And if the carbon contains triple bond, then that carbon atoms are sp hybridized. So okay, thanks. In the next period we will discuss about the next classification.